Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm like bored right now. You know what? No power at all. Man, we'll be coming back on until 5:30. No power in the house. All the world is out. No power, period. Crazy. The whole day world without no power right now. No power anywhere in this whole entire place. The red lights even out everywhere. No power. Crazy. I have to be careful because of the people that ran the red lights with no power. No power at all, you know? I hate no power in this whole entire place at all. Crazy. Like hot. But I can't go back home because it's hot, you know. Yep.